Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to get ChatGPT API key. To get API key for ChatGPT, first of all, go ahead and open up a web browser. You can open up any web browser depending upon your device's type, and then in the URL box, type in platform.openai.com. You should then go ahead and log into your OpenAI account by entering your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, go to the top right section and tap on the menu button, which looks like a toolbar, and from the menu, click on Settings. Inside Organization, click on API Keys. Now, click on the plus Create New Secret Key button. Now go ahead and enter a name for your key. Select a project from the drop-down. Under Permission, choose if you want to set it to all, restricted, or read-only. And finally, click on the Create Secret Key button at the bottom right. Right after you do that, you will be able to create your API key. You can then copy and save the key somewhere safe because you won't be able to see it again. Creating a key will allow access to ChatGPT models like GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 via API. Make sure to keep your key private, never expose it on public code or forums, and there you know how you can create API key on ChatGPT. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.